Welcome to Anchors Away. Today we're exploring one of Texas' most breathtaking destinations, Big Bend National Park. This vast and rugged wilderness is home to some of the most epic hikes in the Lone Star State, and we're taking you on 3 must-do trails that showcase the park's stunning diversity. From towering canyon walls to sweeping desert vistas and jaw-dropping sunset views, we've got it all covered. So lace up your hiking boots and let's hit the trail.
We are on the way.
Hey guys, here we are. We're finally in Big Bend National Park in southwest Texas. So hopefully it lives up to all of the expectations that we've had. So far we've just been driving through desert, which has been a bit disappointing, but hey, let's go have a look. Next up, we're heading east to the Boquillas Canyon Trail, a 1.5 mile round trip hike that leads into another stunning river-carved canyon. This trail is short, scenic, and packed with history, giving you a close-up look at the unique culture and geology of the area. As you hike, keep an eye out for singing Boquillas locals across the river and ancient petrographs etched into the rock. The peaceful, secluded vibes make this the perfect place to sit back, relax, and take in the beauty of Big Bend's borderlands.
Welcome back. We're on a mission to hit 1,000 subscribers so we can start donating our YouTube revenue to support families battling cancer. Join our journey, hit that subscribe button, and make a difference today. Now back to the video.
Alright, so we were planning to go up to Chusos Basin today, but it's a bit late in the day. We had to do other stuff. So we're going to go and do another canyon walk. It's quite close to the Rio Grande campground. And yeah, hopefully it's as nice as the last one. Yeah, getting into Boquillas Canyon is it's a sealed road, but it's a little bit challenging. It's a bit thin and it's up and down all over the place. But it shouldn't be very far. So we're planning on going to the overlook first, and we'll get some images from there, and then we'll actually go and do the trail. So on one of our previous trail walks, we came across a little one of these illegal shops. So there's a whole heap of them here at the Boquillas Overlook. Alright, so here's a little bit about the Boquillas Canyon. You can stop the video if you want to read that. And over there, that's the canyon. We're going to be heading up through there shortly. Alright, so the Boquillas Canyon Trail is about 1.4 miles round trip. Pretty easy by the looks of it, so let's go.
Practicing to go down to Grand Canyon. We have to do this like 10 times in order to do Grand Canyon.
Only 10?
Or 20. Or 50.
Alright, so after a little walk up and down the hill, you've, like I thought, following the side of the Rio Grande, through all the nice lush foliage here in the shade. It's a bit cooler, and yeah, heading into the canyon. So there's even donkeys and mules in here. So at one end of Big Bend you've got the Santa Elena Canyon, and the other end you've got the Boquillas Canyon. So interesting should visit both. No, they went back the other way. So they've been up here already.
They went back the other way.
Yeah. Alright, so we are pretty much at the end. There's all of this rock stuff that we'll try to negotiate over without getting our feet too wet. Hopefully we can see around the corner and give you a shot of what's up there. This is as far as we get. A beautiful cool breeze blowing through as well. It's very, very nice. Alright guys, that was our walk to the Boquillas canyon. Very nice, very easy. Maybe take about a litre of water with you. No, lovely. What did you think, Jaynee?
Yeah, it's quite a pleasant walk.
Do you want to try and jump over and get a bit further? I don't think we can without getting wet. Oh, you're still here. You might like one of these videos next.